In a recreation club, there are 180 members, which give you the total numbers. And then another statement here, the number of male is equal 40% more, that means 1.4 times. 40% more on top of 100%, we have extra 40%, so you should able to write 1.4 directly. Then the number of female, and then they ask you to find the difference of the number of male members and female members. So the best method is to find out what's the value of M and what's the value of F. So we may lack two items. The first item is the number of male members. The second item is the number of female members. And then we just try to use these two items to build up equations to express these two relations. The first relation is the total numbers equal to 180, which means that if there are no third gender, we know M plus F, the total is 180. It's because of the total number. That's the first relation we know. The second relation is their ratio. The male members is 1.4 times of female. So that means the question is we are going to solve this simultaneous equation. Then you use your own method to solve. For me, it's more straightforward because to use the substitution method is because M already be the subjects. So I copy down the first equation since M plus F equal to 180. And then M I can express in terms of 1.4 F. Before that, this equation we have two unknowns that make it more difficult to solve. But if I express M in terms of F, in this equation only one kind of unknown, then we can solve it like usual. 1 plus 1.4, we get 2.4 times. And then divide both sides by 2.4, then we can get what we want, which is F. So F is equal to 75. We get the female number is 75. After you get one of the unknown, then you may just replace updated information is either one equation. For example, let's say if I substitute back to the first equation, since M plus F is equal to 180, we already know what is F, which is 75. So we know the number of male members is 105. We know pretty well about the situation now, but don't forget to answer directly to the questions. They ask you about the differences in the number of male and female members. So you have to find out that differences is equal to 105 and then minus 75. So the differences is 30 members. For some of you, if you get used to the subtraction method, so we will tidy up two equations into a standard format. First unknown, second unknown equal to constant. So we do the same for the second one. We move 1.4f to another side minus 1.4f, both sides minus 1.4f, and then equal to 0. After that, we find that m and n are the same. So that's why we subtract this left hand side minus this left hand side should equal this right hand side minus this right hand side. So we write down positive 1f minus 1.4f is equal to 180 minus 0. So 2.4f is equal to 180. F is equal to 75. The rest of the calculation are exactly the same. It's totally up to you which method you use. But if you want to use calculator to double check your answer, you must rewrite in this format. How many first unknown plus how many second unknown equal to some constant. Also the same for the second equations.